In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create LinkedIn carousels with Figma and why you should use them. So if we just jump real quick here on my LinkedIn profile, here we can see what LinkedIn carousel actually is. It's just post with a carousel in it. It's just simple slides like this one, and today I'm going to show you how to create that with Figma. A quick word why you should use carousels in LinkedIn. The first thing is because it increases engagement. And with increased engagement, LinkedIn is going to promote your content more and your posts is going to reach more people. That's basically why you should use LinkedIn carousels, because your content then is going to reach more people. So let's check how to create one. We're just going to here jump into Figma. So here is the Figma design. Figma is very useful free tool, and if you don't have it yet and if you're not using it yet, you should definitely download it and incorporate it in your workflow. So when you're in Figma, you just click design new file, and we're gonna click this one, select frame, just click anywhere, and LinkedIn actually has two post sizes. I recommend you to go with 1080 pixels width and 1350 pixels in height. Why? Because simply just that way you get more real estate, and more real estate the better. So that's gonna be our first slide, and you can see here all the layers, frame number one, and then we're gonna see all the layers here. So how to start? Just click text, post. We're gonna make it quite big, so it tries the attention. So we're gonna get a lot of attention. We can add arrows. We can also go here and add like shapes and everything. We're gonna add an arrow. Just drag like that, and it's gonna create an arrow for us. We can write here. Swipe. It's not gonna be the most beautiful carousel out there, but it's gonna do it for this educational purpose. We're gonna play around with it a little bit. So, and then you can experiment and redesign your post the way you want it. I'm just gonna show you a few ideas how to do it, and you can check other Figma tutorials to actually learn how to design things with Figma. That's not like design. That's not the design tutorial. It's just to see how to create LinkedIn carousels real fast. Here we can change the layers. We're gonna make this one, let's say red. This text white. We're gonna add a photo of ourselves. I always recommend using photos of yourselves, so that way you actually build a lot of trust. Let's use this one for the sake of this video. Okay, it's not the prettiest, but it'll do for the purpose of this video. So when you created your first page, you just select the frame and click duplicate. You just command D to duplicate it on Mac. So here we then see that it creates another frame, frame 2, and we design here the content. In that frame 2 is going to be the first slide of our content. So here we're going to delete that, and we're going to bring that up here. Going to create a title, title 1, move it a bit up, and we're going to create some content. You get a picture, you just create a few more titles, and we do it again. To copy the frame, just on the Mac, command and D to copy it. So we have now here the frame 3, which is going to be the second slide, and we can design our slideshow as that, like we can then create like the title 3 and so on. So when we created our carousel, now we have to export it as PDF. And how you do that? You go to File, and then here you have Export Frames to PDF. You have to export it as PDF. Here we're just going to name it LinkedIn. We're going to save it on desktop. And now our carousel is actually exported. And now I'm going to show you how to actually publish carousel on LinkedIn. Let's just go back here to my LinkedIn account. Just click here on this, start a new post, and you then add a document. Add a document, and then you choose your LinkedIn carousel like this. Open the file, and here you select now the document title. You put in the document title, LinkedIn post, and we now see how our carousel actually looks like on LinkedIn. Here we can see the whole carousel we created. Just click done. Here you're just gonna add the text of your post, and that's basically it. You just have to post it, and that's it. So I hope you find this video useful, and see you in the next one.